Welcome to Pro Teacher Academy, and today our topic is fractions, decimal fractions and percentages. Before we start, let's have a quick brain teaser. The snack booths take up 0.15 of the entire area of the amusement park. What is that in fractions? Before answering the questions, let's see what are we going to learn today. So we will learn about conversion decimals to fractions, converting fractions to decimals, as well as converting decimals to percentages. Do you know that improper fractions have bigger numerators than their denominators? Okay, now let's answer the question that I asked in the beginning. We can answer the question by counting the squares the snack booths take up, and that is 15. And the total number of squares are 100, so we will divide 15 by 100. But how do we convert decimals to fractions? So for this, we will use converting decimals to fractions chart. Use the place value table to guide you on converting decimals to fractions. As you can see, it's a decimal point. We have 1 upon 10, we say it 1/10. For 100s, for 1 upon 100, we say 100s. And for 1 upon 1000, we say thousands. You should also note that 0.1 is equal to 1 upon 10. 0.01 is equal to 1 upon 100 and 0.001 is equal to 1 upon 1000. Since the decimal is up to the hundreds, its denominator will be 100, where 15 is the numerator. As you can see, there are 2 zeros in the denominator. You should have 2 numbers after the decimal. Now try this. What is 3.4 in fractions? Simplify if possible. Since you have a whole number, the answer will be mixed number, where 3 is the whole number and 4/10 is in fraction. We always write the whole number before the decimal, and 4 upon 10's value will be 0.4. Similarly, you can simplify it by dividing the numerator and denominator by the highest common factor 2. And you can use this written representation. You can divide 2 by 4 and 2 by 10. 3 is the whole number, and you are going to add 4 divided by 2 and 10 divided by 2, which will be 4 divided by 2, the answer will be 2. And 10 divided by 2, answer will be 5. So your fractional value will be 2 upon 5, and this 3 is the whole. So you will write it as it is, as it was written earlier. So now 4 upon 10 will be simplified to 2 upon 5n, and your whole number will remain the same. So the simplified value will be 3 whole 2 upon 5. Can you convert 23 upon 100 to decimals? By writing the numerator on the place value table. As you can see that 2 and 3 are written in tenths and hundreds place. To see the decimal, it's easy to convert fractions that have 10, 100 or 1000 as denominator. You can easily convert 23 upon 100 to decimals by writing the numerator on the place value table. For example, you can see 0 will be ones or units, then your decimal point will come, and then you will write 23 because you have the value of hundreds here. If you will have value in thousands, you will start from here, from the thousands column. So, your answer will be 0.23. Here is another way to write it, that is, after decimal you need to write 2 digits as you have 2 zeros here in the denominator. For 23 upon 100, since the denominator is 100, it means the decimal will be up to the hundreds place. What if the denominator is not the power of 10, like 3 upon 5? Let me tell you how to solve it. You can think of a number that can be multiplied to the denominator to make it a power of 10. With a denominator of 5, we can multiply it by 2. And in step 2, you can multiply the numerator and denominator by the number you got from first step to keep fractions equivalent. For example, if you have 3 upon 5, you can multiply both the numbers with 2. So 3 multiplied by 2 is 6 and 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. You can also write the fraction or convert it into decimal. As you can see, the value is 6 upon 10. So, after decimal, you will have only one digit because you have only one zero in the denominator. That means 3 upon 5 will be 0.6. Now, let's find out how to use percentage to represent the part of whole, just like fractions. If decimals have decimal point, percentage have the percent symbol. Percent came from a Latin word percentum, that means per hundred. Let's go back now. Since the snack boots take up 0.15 of the park, how do we represent this in percentage? Any guesses? Let's solve it. First, you need to move the decimal point 2 places to the right. Like this. Replace the decimal point with the percentage symbol. On the decimal place, you have written percentage. Now it is 15%. Since 0.15 is 15%, this means that the snack boots take up 15% of the park. Now try this. What percent of the amusement park is taken up by the rides? Correct. The answer is 65%. Now to convert decimals to fractions, you will have a denominator of 10. For example, 0.3 will be converted into 3 upon 10 as fractions. 0.03 will be written as 3 upon 100 as fractions, as you have two numbers after decimal and there are two zeros in the denominator. Similarly, for 0.03, the denominator will be 1000 because you have three numbers after decimal, as you have three zeros in 1000. So, the fractional value of 0.003 will be 3 upon 1000. Now, let's see to convert fractions to decimals. If the denominator is 10, the number will be up to tenths. If the denominator is 100, the decimal number will be up to hundreds. If it is 1000, the decimal number will be up to thousands. If the denominator is not a power of 10, you can multiply a number to both the numerator and denominator to make the denominator a power of 10. Simplify if needed, as we have done before. Now let's practice percentage again. Percentage is a part of a whole where we use the symbol of percent, which means per hundred. For 0.356, the percentage will be 35.6%. And you are moving the decimal two numbers after. Now let's solve a problem. Think about it. After riding the roller coaster, Jan got hungry and went to the snack bar for pizza. If he ate 6 out of 8 slices of pizza, what percentage of the whole pizza did he eat? You can work with your partner and share your answer in the text box, in the comment box, or in our next video. I hope you have learned something new today. See you in the next video.